My dear friends, how can you find this problem logically? These two problems are similar type here. So first of all, let me discuss about what is the relation between kinetic energy and momentum. We all know that kinetic energy is going to be p square by 2m. Okay, so with this it is understood that kinetic energy is directly proportional to p square. Kinetic energy is directly proportional to p square. So now here if you observe, what is going to happen here? If the momentum of a body is increased by 50%, what does it mean actually? Increased by 50%. Means previously momentum is P, P1 is P. Now momentum is increased by 50%, means already 100% is there. Extra 50% is added, means we can take it as 150 by 100% completely. That means P2 is going to become 1.5 P. That's it. That's it. Then after that what you'll do? You all know that kinetic energy is directly proportional to P square. So K2 by K1, if you observe, K2 by K1 is nothing but P2 by P1 whole square, because it is directly proportional to momentum. So we can write kinetic energy K2 by K1. P2 is nothing but 1.5 P and P1 is nothing but P whole square. So it is getting cancelled here. So K2 by K1, 1.5 whole square is nothing but 2.25. Okay, 15s are 225. So 225, that's it, 225. That means K2 is going to become 2.25 times of K1. What is the meaning of 2.25 terms? It is nothing but 225 by 100. That is the meaning here. Okay, 2.25 is nothing but 225 by 100 into K times. So 225 means what? 125 extra. What is that? Is the meaning, no? So already 100% is there. 225 means 125% extra is there in that. So therefore your correct option is nothing but 125%. Directly you can tell the answer without doing lengthy calculations. You can do this problem in this way. Now if you go and see this next question, if the kinetic energy of the particle is increased by 300%, what is the meaning of that? Kinetic energy of the particle is increased by 300%. That means here kinetic energy K1 is K and K2 is nothing but 300%, means already 100% is there. 300% extra means 400%. 400%. 100 plus 300 becomes 400. So 400 by 100 into K. Okay. So K1 is K. K2 is nothing but K1, 400 by 100 into K. This implies that K2 can be considered as 4K. That's it. 4K. 4 times. That is the meaning here. So what are you going to do now? Momentum you have to find out. You all know kinetic energy is directly proportional to P square. That means P is directly proportional to root K. So therefore, P2 by P1. P2 by P1 is nothing but root of K2 by K1. Therefore, if you substitute here the value of K2, K2 is nothing but 4K and K1 is nothing but K. That means P2 by P1 is equal to how much? P2 by P1. P2 by P1 is equal to 2. This implies that P2 is equal to 2 times of P. Double P. What is the meaning of double P here? That means it is 100% extra. Doubled means what? 100% extra. That is the meaning. Increase is asking. So your answer is directly 100% extra. If it has become doubled means what? Already 100% is there. 100% extra you are adding. That is, in that way you can do logically. So therefore P2 has become 100% extra. That is the answer. That is the meaning of this question here. So hope you have enjoyed this. A shortcut method or a simple method, a simple logical method. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.